Welcome to the Unit 8 review. This is page 66 of your TABE Tutor Practice workbook, and we are looking at a final review of our Chapter 8 concepts. So have those memory pieces ready if you need to refer to those. I recommend that you try this by yourself and then check it with me, but you can do it however you want or however your teacher has told you to do it. Number 1, we are supposed to use this figure for items 1 through 3. So let me just take a snapshot of that, and I'll have that ready if we need it. How many right angles are shown? Right angles are 90-degree angles, so there are 0. Number 1 is D. They're all acute angles. And I just gave it away, didn't I? What type of angle is angle CED? So let me just make sure you know where CED is. That's one of the reasons I want to copy this. C to E to D. So it's right in here. And it's 58 degrees. That is an acute angle. Number 2 is A. Which 3 angles are obtuse? Now, I just told you that all of them are acute. So how can that be? What I should have said is all of these are acute. But there are angles here that are not labeled. So let's look for those. And I think I'm just going to go by the choices. Angle AEB, A to E to B, that's 52 degrees. That is not obtuse, but let's write it down here just the same. Angle A to E to C, A, E, C. That's 52 plus 46. So you have to add those together to get 97. Okay. Then I have angle AED. So that's A to E to D. So I have to total up all of those to get this one. 52 plus 58, that's 110. Plus 46 is 156 degrees. Angle BEC, B to E to C, that's 46 degrees. Angle BED, B to E to D, that's 46 plus 58. So that's what? 8 plus 6 is 14. Carry 1, 104. And then DEC, D to E to C is 58 degrees. We're looking for 3 of these that are obtuse. That means more than 90, but less than 180. So 97, 156, and 104. So for number 3, I like B, C, and E. Number 4. Debbie stands between 2 rows of corn that are perfectly straight and never cross. How can Debbie describe the rows of corn? Line segments intersecting? No. not if they never cross. Line segments intersecting, no, not if they never cross. Parallel line segments or perpendicular. Perpendicular, not if they never cross. They are parallel line segments. So number 4 is C. Number 5. Which statement is true about an acute triangle? Acute triangle. It has exactly one right angle. It has exactly one obtuse angle. All of the sides must be equal, or all of the angles in the triangle are less than 90. That's what acute means, less than 90. Number 5 is D. Number 6. Use the coordinate plane for items 6 through 8. So let me take a screenshot of that one. What is the location of point P? Okay, if you look at this one, point P is over here at 5 and up to 9. So 5, 9. Number 6 is C. Which point is located at 4, 6? So over 4 and up 6, that is point Q. Number 7 is B. Number 8. Cody plots point N on this coordinate plane. Point N is 6 units to the right of the origin along the x-axis. So that's 6. And 1 unit above the origin on the y-axis. What are the coordinates of point N? So let me show you. It would be over 6 and up 1. So it would be right there at 6, 1. And that is option C. Which 3 shapes are quadrilaterals? Quad means 4. So that would be a rhombus, a trapezoid, and a parallelogram. Number 9, you want 3 answers, D, E, and F. Number 10. Lonnie sees a triangular flag at her nephew's soccer game. 2 sides of the flag measure 13 inches, and the base measures 10 inches. Which statement about the flag can be true? So let's draw this thing. 2 sides are 13. Let me try that again. I need to get it right. And the base is 10. So we know that these are 13 and 13, 10 on the base, and they're all in inches. It is an obtuse right triangle. That's not true. It is an isosceles acute triangle. That's true. All of these are less than 90 degrees. And isosceles has 2 equal sides. Equilateral means all sides equal. So number 10 is B. Number 11. Which statement is true about this shape? It is made of parallel and perpendicular line segments. Parallel, right there. Perpendicular, right here. That's true. It is made of only parallel lines. Nope, because these intersect right there. It is made of only points. Nope, because I see line segments. It is made only of rays. It has no rays. Remember what a ray looks like. A ray has a point on one end, but an arrow on the other. So number 11 is A. Number 12. What describes the angles formed by the baselines on a baseball field? So here are the baselines. Home to first, first to second, second to third, and third back to home. Those are your bases. All are acute angles. That's not true. All are right angles. That is true. Two angles are acute and two angles are right. That is not true. Two angles are right and two are obtuse. That is not true. They are all right angles because it forms a baseball diamond. This one says to use the figure for items 13 and 14. What is the shape of a box made by folding the net? A cube? Nope, it's not equal. A square? Nope. A pyramid? No triangles. A triangular prism? No triangles. It is a rectangular prism. It's a box. Number 13 is D. Number 14. What is the surface area of the box? Well, let's come up here. I'm not going to copy this one. I'll just work it right here. But let's figure out the matching congruent sides. So we have two of these. And that's a 6 by 7. So I'm going to go ahead and do that area. Area is length times width. Area is 6 by 7. So area is 42 square inches. And we have two of those. Then I have the bottom of the box, which is right here. And I have the top of the box, which is over here. And that is an 18 by 7. So I have the area is length times width. It's 18 long and 7 wide. Use your calculator. I believe it's 126. And that means this one would be 126 also. I don't have a calculator, so let me make sure I'm doing, yes. Okay. The last bit of this box is this piece, which forms one of the sides and matches up to that other piece. I really wouldn't have to have colored those, but it just helps us to visualize. I know that it's 18 tall, but this one's only 6 wide. So this is 18 by 6. And that's going to be 48. 6 and 4 is 10, so 108 and 108. So the surface area is 2 of the 42s. Plus 2 of the 108s. And you can put these in any order. And 2 of the 126s. So 84, 1/16. No, sorry. See, I'm getting myself in trouble. I don't have a calculator. 2/16. And then 126 and 126 is 252. Actually, I do have a calculator, my cell phone. Now I think of it. Let me check this, because I don't trust myself doing mental math, especially at this hour of the day. It's very late. 2 times 42 is 84. That one I know. 2 times 108 is 216. And 2 times 126 is 252. Add those up. And the total surface area is 552 square inches. So I'm liking A for A on 14. And then part B. Hannah has enough wrapping paper to cover 600 square inches. She covers the surface of the box with no gaps or overlaps. How much paper does Hannah have left? That is a subtraction word. So 600 minus 552 is 48. So for part B on number 14, I like answer D. Number 15. Which shape is not formed by perpendicular line segments? A circle, a rectangle. Whoa, that's pitiful. Let's try that again. A rectangle, a right triangle, or a square. A circle has no line segments. And that brings us to the end of this review and to the end of this workbook. I hope that you've enjoyed working with me on this workbook. We are finished with the math in this series. There were 2 workbooks and we have now completed them both. Please contact your teacher if you have questions about any of this material, or if you're not sure what to do next. Get in touch with your instructor. Let him or her know that you have completed the math series. There is a reading series and a language series, so if you want to do those with me too, we will learn all about those subjects as well. But thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you in class again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.